Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. In this video, we will show you the working process of our Sawdust Airflow Dryer Machine, which is designed to quickly reduce moisture from biomass materials such as sawdust and wood shavings. This airflow dryer is mainly used for drying fine and lightweight biomass materials before further processing. Compared with traditional drying equipment, the airflow dryer has a compact structure and a faster drying speed. It is widely used in biomass pellet production, briquette making, and other wood waste recycling industries. The materials shown in this video is sawdust. These materials usually contain high moisture after wood processing. If they are directly used for pelletizing or briquetting, it may affect the forming quality and production efficiency. Therefore, an efficient drying process is necessary. Now, let's see how this machine works. First, the wet sawdust enters the feeding system. At the same time, the hot air furnace provides high-temperature airflow. Under the action of the fan, the hot air carries the material through the drying pipeline. During transportation, the fine particles are fully mixed with hot air, and the moisture is quickly evaporated. The dried material is then separated and collected by the cyclone separator. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us for more information. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.